Shenzhen DINGRUN Laser Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise devoted to the R&D, production, sales, and service of laser equipment as a whole. The company's production base is located in Guanlan Street, Longhua, New District, Shenzhen. We have two major industries: research and development of laser equipment automation applications and sales of laser equipment. At present, the company's laser equipment research and development areas: visual positioning marking applications, visual inspection flying marking automation customization, automatic loading and unloading structure. The company's sales area: more than 15 series of equipment, more than 169 kinds of industrial laser equipment. The leading products include laser marking, laser welding, laser cutting. All products have stable performance and low-cost maintenance. Our factory equipment is widely used in many metal and non-metal fields, such as integrated circuits, IT electronics, instrumentation, automotive parts, precision instruments, medical devices, tobacco industry, pharmaceutical industry, food industry, aerospace, military electronics, craft gifts. The company can not only provide a complete set of laser processing solutions for the majority of customers, but also established a complete quality control and after-sales service system to high-tech, high-quality standards to provide users with the best quality, the most comprehensive pre-sales, in-sales, after-sales technical support and maintenance services. With excellent technical equipment and good management experience, the company takes integrity service as its management policy, insists on quality first, credit first, realizes standardized operation mode.